YouTube viral tips. How to get viral on YouTube. Getting viral on YouTube can be a combination of factors and some degree of luck, as it depends on the preferences and behavior of viewers. However, here are some tips that can increase your chances of going viral on YouTube. Create high-quality content. Focus on producing content that is visually appealing, well-edited, and engaging. Invest in good equipment, such as a high-resolution camera and a quality microphone, to ensure your videos have good production value. Know your audience. Understand who your target audience is and create content that caters to their interests and preferences. Conduct research on popular trends, topics, and keywords within your niche. Unique and compelling ideas. Brainstorm unique and creative ideas for your videos that haven't been done before or offer a fresh perspective. Look for gaps in the content available on YouTube and try to fill them with your own unique style. Eye-catching titles and thumbnails. Craft attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails that entice viewers to click on your videos. Use bold and descriptive titles while creating visually appealing thumbnails that accurately represent the content of your video. SEO optimization. Implement effective search engine optimization (SEO) strategies by using relevant keywords in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help your videos appear in search results and suggested video recommendations. Engage with your audience. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and share your videos by asking questions, creating discussions, and responding to comments. Engaging with your audience builds a loyal community around your channel and can increase the chances of your videos being shared. Promote your videos. Share your videos on your social media platforms, blog, website, or relevant online communities to generate initial views and exposure. Collaborating with other YouTubers or influencers in your niche can also help expand your reach. Timing is important. Consider the timing of your video releases. If there are upcoming events, trends, or holidays related to your content, try to align your video release with them to increase the chances of your video being discovered. Encourage sharing and subscriptions. Add calls to action in your videos, asking viewers to subscribe to your channel and share the video with others if they enjoyed it. This can help increase your subscriber count and reach a wider audience. Keep experimenting. Don't be afraid to try new things, experiment with different video formats, and analyze the performance of your videos. Learn from what works and what doesn't, and adapt your content strategy accordingly. Remember, going viral is not guaranteed, but by consistently creating quality content, understanding your audience, and implementing effective promotional strategies, you can increase your chances of getting noticed on YouTube.